Find out how to get to the sports car store. Maybe he knows. Hey Bart, trying to get to the baseball card shop. Which way should I go? Thanks, pal. Hey everybody, we're gonna head over to the world's most famous baseball card shop. Bart Simpson showed me the way. Let's see if we can pull some fire out of those mystery boxes. Follow me. We have these mystery boxes. We can go with football first. So it comes with one card in it already. So we have Trevor Lawrence, Jacksonville Jaguar quarterback, rookie. That's cool. Then we got a couple of packs. See if we can pull an autograph out of here. Mac Jones. Okay, pack 2. The baseball mystery box. We got a 2020 baseball, 2019. We have 3 2019s, and then our card in there was a Tony Gosling pitcher. Okay, let's get right into it. Do the 2020 first. We got a chrome. Anthony Rendon. Chris Bryant. Okay, let's go 2019. Shout out to Bart Simpson for showing me the way to get to the card shop. All right, last pack. Got a Trey Turner, Jackie Robinson, am I free? Am I off the hook? Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today here from Springfield. Stay tuned for more fun videos. Till next time, from the top of my heart, see you at the parks.